Hi there. It's a beautiful day to talk and connect. How's everyone doing?
Hey, hope you're all having a great day. We're here to chat about something we all love, just having a natural, flowing conversation.
So, let's dive into why engaging in natural conversations is crucial for anyone learning English. It's not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about the ease and confidence you develop over time.
Exactly. Think about all the everyday topics like weather discussions or casual greetings. These are the building blocks for more complex conversations, right?
Yes, and when you start feeling comfortable with these everyday interactions, it reflects on your overall communication skills. Plus, it helps you connect with people on a personal level.
Absolutely. One of the biggest challenges is getting over the fear of making mistakes. But you know what? Mistakes are a part of learning, and natural conversations provide the perfect platform for practice.
I completely agree. And remember, no one expects perfection in casual talk. It's about being authentic and relatable. Share your thoughts, even if they're imperfect.
True. And knowing that everyone makes mistakes can really boost your confidence. It's important to remind ourselves of that, especially when trying to express something new.
Yes, and let's talk a bit about how this helps build long-term skills. When you're confident in small talk, it gradually translates to more articulated speech in meetings or presentations.
That's a great point. Practicing in low pressure settings prepares you for those high pressure moments. It's like training for a marathon by running every day.
Exactly. It's a journey. Each interaction adds to your comfort level, and you learn how to use contextual cues to choose your words wisely.
And let's not forget the cultural understanding you gain. Conversing naturally with people from different backgrounds opens up a whole new perspective.
Absolutely. Cultural insights are invaluable. They not only enrich your conversations, but also your worldview, and it makes the learning process way more enjoyable.
Learning should always be enjoyable. That's how you make real progress.
Thank you all for tuning in to this discussion about the power of natural conversations. Keep practicing, and remember to embrace the flow.
Keep talking, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Until next time.